welcome back again guys to my YouTube channel, and today again I have service call for a marine radar X-band with a wrong bearing and range. So come on, join with me and we'll check what is the problem.
Cool, very cool. Okay.
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, show me Cap, what is the problem?
Once we are moving, you see, through, for example, through this channel, this all target is moving.
This is not the
This is buoys.
yeah, no, this is your waypoint,
Yeah.
right?
This is not waypoint, this is,
Your Victor.
you see, all buoys every time.
No.
I show you just now another picture. Also, once we are approaching to the channel inside, you see, all is moving. All, this is vessel on anchorage. This everything is moving. You see, like this.
How much my magnetic compass now?
Magnetic, I don't know. And once more, just once more. One time when we are going, this is radar, starboard radar, start jumping.
But supposed to be, if I have problem with my gyro.
It's also all buoys moving. Moving everything. Okay.
These two.
Two. This one is more moving than this one. This one is much better. But anyway. It looks like, you know, this, like before we have problem with sphere, yeah? This also is moving, all target moving. Now we change already sphere, new sphere, but anyway it's still moving.
Okay, we have a Simrad CG-80 and we will try to increase
like
the in-game.
Maybe looks like, you know, just gyro is little bit delayed to turn, that's why it's happening like this.
Go to the menu, it is set and acknowledge. Acknowledge. Okay. It is
Every time, once you come in more close to this buoy stop. Once it starts like not moving, but all which one is more far away is still moving. Actually, gyro now is working good. Everything is good, but picture on the radar, I don't know, is something. I asked Biju regarding the restart to factory setting. He said you will lose everything from the radar. All
no,
connection.
it's not that.
Not radar, yeah?
No.
It looks like not radar. This is signal what is radar receiving from gyro. So this is
What is your manual, Cap? I forget.
manual about the gyro.
No, yeah, gyro.
Huh?
Gyro. I want to set the. Okay. Expanded gyro system.
Maybe like delay signal, you know, maybe this is gyro now adjusted like for big vessel, yeah? Very slowly moving.
Start.
I need to adjust for fast vessel, we are very fast running.
Configuring gyro. I need to adjust the. Advanced setting. Okay. Again, we'll come back to advanced setting. I need the leveling, bearing, and damping. I need to adjust this X gain pickup. Okay, it is 1.7G. Okay. Now it's E1. This is E17. Okay. E17, E2, 6, 7. Then set. No. 7.2, 7.3.
Some more explaining.
A1. Up, wrong. It should be E1. Set E1. Let's go to A7. Okay. Oh, this is already 4.5. It's already 4.5.
I will explain one more, and I will keep you for adjustment. You see, this is like, for example, this channel, yeah?
Yeah, I understand that one.
This is buoys. We are
What happened? My gyro is not.
we are moving really inside of this channel, inside
But
of between.
it changed here because your heading is changed.
But on the radar, it's showing
Yeah.
like we are moving on the buoys,
Yeah,
through the buoys. It's like.
that is correct. That is correct.
Yeah. Okay, now like.
No problem. I understand. Really understand. Need to recheck all the gain. This horizontal servo gain 1.3. How much I have here? Okay. 1. Okay, that's the original. Set 1.2 bearing servo gain. Just make this 1.5. Okay, 1.5. Shit. Again, I press wrong. Okay, set. And again this. Okay, direct up and down, press up and down direct. This is 1.2. This is bearing servo. So the original setting is 1. So we'll just give 1.5. Okay. 1.5. Then enter, and horizontal servo also. I'll try to increase a little bit. Display 1.3. Horizontal servo gain. I'm trying to increase all the gain of this, so
Okay, right. We will see.
Then leveling servo gain. We'll see how much. 4.5. I see. This is supposed to be 1, but this is only 0.5. So just put 1
This
point.
is default 1.
Yeah, well, I don't know why this is 50 now.
Just make like default all. We will see how, because it's new sphere, maybe it's.
Yeah, 0.5 is no big deal.
Good afternoon, boss.
Oh,
How are you?
good afternoon. Okay, set. So I adjust this tree,
Okay, okay.
85 X gain pickup. I think this is already
Anyway,
okay.
from my side, I will not do anything. Next time, if anything changes,
That's the only thing I really think is this Servo, this tree. So, but I see this is very low setup. So I will see later.
okay. So what about another one? You will not?
Which
Just
one?
check maybe another one, maybe also some.
No, only I have here
different.
this one.
Mm.
Here nothing. That is all settings for. This is for the gain,
Mix.
access. Fine. No need to change that one.
Okay.
This-
Okay.
Okay.
We will see.
Yeah, that's it. Just tell me. Just give me a call next time when you arrive, and we will see.
We
Also,
will see either way how it's much better or not.
Mm.
And I make some pictures and after I will tell you it's okay.
This now resume carbon.
Just now, yeah, just now. This channel is. Actually, we are moving here, but channel is still moving down. Again, through the buoys. Over the channel.
how much the heading here now? This is not
328.
This is 328. This is 330.
But anyway, this maybe now vessel is little bit just 2 degrees. It's nothing.
You know how to adjust here, right?
Yeah, yeah. But I still now I didn't touch. It's okay. It's showing good.
Logistics double tap.
Ah, logistic.
Hamilton 1-2.
Okay. I think this is 328 here.
328. Okay, fix 328.
Okay, we'll do like that. But I see the image. This is not correct.
It's not correct. Yeah, of course.
And check the other one. If both are the same, then that is 1.5. 1.5.
Yeah, 1.5. It's the same.
Then this is the gyro heading.
Also.
Okay, and just keep.
Robbie 17, Robbie 17 logistics.
You can stand by because all vessels is here. Everyone is complaining regarding the radar every time. Fuck.
Yeah, I know. Just keep.
I stop.
17, stand by.
Set 2 degree.
You need to start?
Yeah, just.
Fucking.
28. Just a minute. I'll just try. See. So this is here. At least maybe now this is 27 maybe. We'll see.
I am not sure that vessel is straight to the.
Force Navy,
Yeah, but at least you have this correct. Okay.
Force Navy, logistics.
Yeah. Just check. Then we will correct next time because I don't like to touch now just to make confirm because I have the low gain on my gyro.
Okay, we will keep like this.
Yeah, keep like that. The other one
You
also.
already reduced 3 degrees.
That is 3 degrees, right? Yeah, 3 degrees. 27. No, not 3 degrees. 2.3. Just stand by that one. Try this one.
So you make off center to see the channel.
Yeah, at least.
It's not so exactly, but
Yeah.
little bit more.
This image and that image is different, huh?
Yeah, different. This one is much better working than this one.
Ah,
Yes.
the image.
Image.
Just a minute. Return back to 29. 29.
I mean about also this movement. There is more movement than here. We start to target.
I'm looking for this one. So
Ah. This is the correct one.
Yeah, now is much better. You see? How much you said?
I think 8.5.
20,
8.5.
28.5.
Yeah, that is
this
correct one.
Much better coming.
So it means I have also this chip, your cigarette chip killing me.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Okay, so we went 2, 1, 4, we were
So give me the bearing of this for you. This last boy there. Give me the bearing.
C-code 888, C-code
Distance and
888,
bearing.
just take-
Yes, wait. I need to do the last.
C-code 888, C-code 888, just
To
take-
this one, last. Yeah?
Last one. Okay, last one.
Just switch off temporary.
C-code
You want to get from the
888,
chart?
888, just take-
Okay, much better.
Logistic 888, 12, 12.
I'll take it the actual distance and bearing from the chart.
Because to start radar, I need to ask permission
I know.
for control. Fuck this.
I know. But we are a little bit far. I cannot see you there.
Yeah,
That's why
I know, but vessels start complaining.
Start complaining.
Why you start radar? Why? That's why if no need, just better switch off.
Guys, this is expanded gyro compass. This is a big one. It's not a single. So this one. Again, going to the menu, long press the order menu and select 0.
Hello?
Okay, enter 0 and you go enter and you go to equipment setup. Here we can adjust the bearing and range adjustment.
084.
Huh?
084.
Distance
Bearing is 084.
0.
Okay, you can start. Bearing.
It's
Just
okay.
bearing.
Where is my ABL? It's off.
41.
How much?
Robbie 9, logistics.
2?
2.1.
Yes. The
Logistics,
distance
Robbie
is
9.
okay.
Robbie 9, 1, 2.
No.
But head,
1, 2.
bearing,
Bearing.
is 0.
How much here bearing? Huh? 0.8.
4.
4, but we now have 0.86. But there is difference 2 degrees.
0.84.
Yeah.
Okay, 0.84. Okay, this is the one, right?
Yes, this one.
This one.
Yes.
Easy.
And distance
I have
2.1.
2.1.
distance is 2.1. Three 330 enter 3. Come on.
Uh-huh. This is also problem. Biju tried to check this ball last time. Fuck, he's clean everything, but nothing. He cannot do.
350. Enter. 350. Little more. 355.
It's okay. He is not also exactly right.
3. Five. I want you to be happy, Cap.
Of course.
Make it 100%. Okay.
Okay. Very good.
Little bit. I think little bit. 60. Come on. Hi.
No, 3, 6, yeah. Okay, 6.
Three,
But this one
6,
is okay now.
0. Don't tell me it is okay.
Yeah. Okay.
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 Then
Exactly.
I need the bearing. Let me say
Just
8.
Chico 888, Chico 888,
No.
another side.
Other side.
Logistic 888, 888, 1, 2, 2.
Means it is 0.
Down.
So means this 2.
Marine Logistic, post Buffin. Station calling logistics. Marine Logistic, post Buffin. Buffin 1, 2, 2.
0.2. Two degrees. Where? Oh,
Excellent job.
huh.
Excellent job. This one also need to adjust.
Now 0, 0, huh?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Exit. Go down here. Exit.
757, Zalmarin.
Exit.
757, Zalmarin.
It's only 0, 0. That's all.
Zalmarin 57.
So,
Okay.
check that one. Check this one also. How much it one?
The bearing and the distance.
Bearing and distance.
This one here. 084 and just the outside. 085 confirm.
No, let's put it in 084.
He's still moving. Wait. Still moving.
gyro is not moving.
Oh, gyro is moving. Again, come down. Again, move it on top. Jumping. Very cool.
Huh?
Jump down, jump up. Down, up. But this one is stable still. From where this radar gets signal? From this radar?
No,
No?
they are individual processor.
Because ARPA is
Tanaji for control, Jamil 301.
this one is not the radar and repeater is the same.
Tanaji for
Which
control,
one?
Jamil 301. Assalamualaikum, sir. 40 minutes to outer beacon, request permission.
Yeah, this is also ARPA. It is board only. They are all ARPA, but additional board was installed there in the other one.
You have permission to proceed in the bunker call.
This is very strange.
Алло. Нет, что тебя, поздравить уже с билетами? Да, ты что там? Вы в порту стоит, какой тут, блядь, спал, ты что? Что там случилось? Ну это justification, чтобы больше информации, да? Хорошо, понял. Ну, то есть, для последующего хорошего тогда. Ну да, он уже там что-то переделал. Он видел и вроде что-то переделал. Хорошо, по поводу justification, это я скажу. Ну это для него как игрушка, знаешь, он, блядь, научили его так. И пиздец, он сидит, играет, я его гоняю отсюда. В компьютер. Ой, блядь. Это, блядь, да. А то такая хуйня. Ты когда билеты уже получишь? А, счастливый человек, блядь.
Really, the image is moving.
Заебались, но работаем. Куда не денешься. Да, тьфу, да, ты что? Да, я молчу. Сейчас вот Брюс нам тут радары сделает. Вообще будет доведен до идеала все. Все будет четко. Он всегда говорит попозже. Он начинал с начала января. Я приеду в начале января, сейчас уже просится конец февраля. А там, я так думаю, что вообще
Now
в
it's
марте
a little bit okay.
Да, ничего. Он сказал в феврале, все, я буду в феврале. Добренько. А так вроде ничего, стоим, положили, пока спокойно. Да я понял, отдыхай.
I don't know what exactly happening, but my image is moving. So my processor from the transceiver on of the scanner going to the receiver on the processor board of the display unit. I mean the transceiver unit. So this is another troubleshooting I need to fix, and we'll see if I can find a solution for this. Okay. Cup, I put this cup in remain.
Mm-hmm. So what is this? What it means?
This is the processing of the image.
Mm-hmm.
Just if you put it in hands, it will give more enhancement on the processor for the processing of the image. This is not right.